Guys, how are you? Today I'm going to show you how to download Davinci Resolve 16 for free, and I will also show you how to install it. So let's get started. So first of all, go to any browser. Here I'm using Vivaldi. You can use Chrome or Firefox if you want to. Then search for so now go to a browser. Here I'm using Vivaldi, which is a weird name for a browser. Then type Davinci Resolve. Press enter. Now you have to click on this link, the black magic design, which is the company which made the Davinci Resolve. Click on that. Now you can go through this documentation or demos if you want to, but here I will click on download. Now here's the important point to note. Two options are there, right? Davinci Resolve 16 and Davinci Resolve Studio 16. So which one should you choose? Davinci Resolve 16 is totally free, and the Davinci Resolve Studio 16 is not totally free. It is free, but there are a lot of premium features. As you can see, there are multi-user collaboration and what is that? Stereos. So I cannot pronounce it. A 3D tool, Resolve effects. But if you are wanting to use the free version, then choose the Davinci Resolve. Do not choose the Davinci Resolve 16 Studio. Okay, now click on the Windows button. After clicking on the Windows button, you will be taken or should I say a dialog box will appear. So here you have to fill your data or your confidential data. Now I will suggest you something, that you should not give any you don't have to give any of your real information. So I'm going to use a fake name, Jimmy. Let's use Flash as my surname. Last name, I don't have a company. So here I'm going to use a temporary mail. If you don't know how to use a temporary email, then you can check out my video on how to make or how to get a temporary mail address. So here I'm using it, Control V. Now I'm going to give a fake number to 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, now I'm going to choose a state. Let's choose Maharashtra and Mumbai. That's my city. Now you can download. Click on download. It will start downloading. So after the completion of the process, the .msi process, this installer will appear. Preparing to install. All you have to do is wait. And then this setup wizard of Davinci Resolve will appear. Then click on next. The usual installation stuff. I accept the terms and the license agreement. If you want to, you can read this license agreement or terms and condition very thoroughly, but I have already read this terms and condition or license agreement to be precise. That's why I'm clicking next. Then if you want to change the location of the black magic design, I mean if you want to change the location of the file on in which the videos will store, or the files of the Davinci Resolve will be stored, then you can just click on change and do the general stuff that are required to change your location while installing. Now click on install. The installation may take a little bit longer. The installation may take 30 to 60 minutes, 60 minutes maximum. If you have a very low end PC, that the installation process totally depends upon the PC's specification. Here I'm using 4 GB RAM and i3 6th generation. That's why the installation process will be longer. So that depends upon your CPU and RAM or memory. So I'm going to pause this video for a while. After the completion of this installation process, I'll be right back to you. Almost complete. The installation is almost complete. And now status of the component registration, creating folders, and the general stuff that will happen when you are going to install this Davinci Resolve. So all you have to do is just wait and have patience. So please wait. After completion of this process, I will be right back. So one thing that I want to add here is that I have previously installed the Davinci Resolve, so that's why I'm probably the copying new files are taking place, but it could be for that reason, or else probably for even for a face installation this will appear. I don't know, you have to check this out yourself. Now this command prompt will appear, and delete one rules or rules, and it will automatically clear everything. The command prompt will appear many times. Now as you can see, the installation has been finished. So now click on finish. This will automatically, as I told you, this will automatically disappear, or you can just close it. As you can see, the Resolve installed successfully. Okay, so now just before I go any further, just don't click on this one, right? Just click on this Resolve. After clicking on this, it will take some time to open up. It will take some time for the first time. Now it's this Davinci Resolve is starting. As I told you before, the first time startup will take some time, so don't worry about it. Even if you face if you face any problems, then all you have to just reinstall it, or just try opening it again after restarting your PC. So it takes some time for the first startup, so just all you have to do is wait. I just keep on telling you this press, all you have to just wait. Yes, just wait, all you have to do is just wait. I'm going to pause this video right now. I will be right back. Congratulations, you have already opened the Visual Davinci Resolve, and plus you have successfully installed it. Now you can use it. Like if you want to create a new project, then here is the option. Here all you have to do is just click on the create new project, and then if you want to create new project. I'm not going to create a new project. I'm going to open a previous project that I was doing. Let's just create a new project here for you guys. YouTube, create. It will take some time. As I told you before, my system is not that capable. This system, as you can see, this is the usual interface of the Davinci Resolve. Here you have the timeline, then edit and other things, and many things. All you have to do is just learn those things if you are new to this. So thank you for watching. Just keep on smiling, and please like and subscribe and share. Thank you.